Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add www to your website on WordPress, so let's get right into it. Now, you can do this in two ways. You can do this by accessing the admin dashboard or by accessing the WordPress admin files, or the WordPress config PHP file to be specific. Now, what you need to do if you're on the dashboard, you need to go into settings and then go into general. Now, I myself do not have this option, most likely because I do not have a paid version, nor do I have a paid domain, so I can't really access it. But here on the general settings, you will find the setting to change your website's URL. Now, on this page, right on those settings, all you have to do is, before your domain, you just need to add the www, and that's it. Now, there is a disclaimer I would like to give you guys, and that is not to modify HTTP to HTTPS unless you have an SSL certificate, and if you want, you can check out another tutorial on how to get it. Now, the other method, as I mentioned, is by accessing the WordPress config file, which I need to show you through this here, well, step-by-step guide. And the way that you do this is, if you're using a WP config, you need to log into cPanel and then find the files through the file manager, then click on your public HTML folder, and then go into WordPress config in that public HTML folder. Then right click and code edit, and then go edit, and then you need to add the following lines of code to the file, pretty much anywhere. I'm pretty sure you can add them just at the end, and then click save changes, and that should be all there is to it. That is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.